Hey, so if you're stuck and can't think of new ideas for content, business, or even school projects, yeah, Claude can actually help you generate ideas really fast. In this guide, I'll show you how to do it step by step. First thing, start with a clear topic. Don't just say, give me ideas. Instead, specify what you want ideas for. Next, define your goal. So tell Claude if you want viral content, educational ideas, or business concepts. All right, include your audience. I mean, ideas change a lot depending on whether you're targeting students, professionals, or beginners. Now ask for multiple ideas. Don't just ask for one. Request at least 10 or 20 options. Next, ask for different formats. So, like lists, hooks, titles, or even full concepts. All right, once you get ideas, refine them. I mean, ask Claude to improve or expand the best ones. And yeah, you can mix ideas together. Combining two concepts often creates something more unique and powerful. So that's how you generate ideas using Claude AI. Once you use this method, you'll never run out of content ideas again.